Are you preparing for the OET writing exam and struggling with how to write a letter to a non-medical recipient? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about crafting a successful OET letter when the recipient isn't from a medical background. First things first, it's important to remember that when writing to a non-medical person, clarity is key. You need to simplify medical jargon and explain medical terms in a way they can easily understand. Here are 3 simple strategies. 1. Use layman's terms. Replace complex medical terminology with everyday language. For example, instead of hypertension, say high blood pressure. This ensures your message is clear. 2. Be clear and concise. Keep your writing focused. Ensure the main points about the patient's condition and required follow-up care are clear from the start. 3. Explain treatments and symptoms thoroughly. Non-medical recipients need a clear understanding of what symptoms to watch for and why certain treatments are important. Avoid assuming prior knowledge. Spell it out. For personalized feedback on your first OET letter, I'm offering a free letter correction service. I will assess your letter word by word, provide feedback on all assessment criteria, and give you a score. Contact me directly on WhatsApp at +61 468 480 877, and let's get you one step closer to passing your OET exam with confidence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone preparing for the OET writing exam.